Counting farm animals, 1 to 10. Hi, adventurers. Do you know how to count to 10? Today, we will count the animals in the barn. I can't wait to see what animals we will meet. Let's count. Do you know what animal is in the barn? It's a cow. How many are there? There is 1 cow. Can you guess what animal made that sound? Ducks. How many are there? There are 2 ducks. Which animal do you think made that sound? Chickens. How many are there? There are 3 chickens. Guess which animal made that noise? Horses. How many are there? There are 4 horses. That must be a few. Goats. How many are there? There are 5 goats. What do you think that was? Geese? How many are there? There are 6 geese. What animal made that funny noise? Pigs. How many are there? There are 7 pigs. What animal do you think that sound came from? Sheep. How many are there? There are 8 sheep. Which animal could that be? Dogs. How many are there? There are 9 dogs. Did you hear that? What was it? Rabbits. How many are there? There are 10 rabbits. Great job counting all of the farm animals. Thank you for joining us today. If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more learning and adventures with Atlas. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.